Today, we're diving into something pretty fascinating, a viral science experiment. But, we're not just going to look at the experiment itself. No, we're going a layer deeper. We're actually deconstructing the script behind it, the one that's carefully engineered to turn a simple physics demo into this can't-look-away, must-share viral spectacle. So, let's pull back the curtain and see how all this magic is really made.
Right off the bat, the script kicks off with this line. Now think about that. That's not a scientific hypothesis, is it? It's a dare. It's a challenge. It tells you its true goal right from the get-go. It's not really about educating you. It's about hooking you and keeping you glued to the screen until the very end. That whole impossible versus viral legend framing, it sets the stage for a massive high-stakes event.
So what is this challenge really, at its core? Well, it's just a masterclass in simplicity. It's designed for maximum visual punch, and more importantly, it's engineered to be shared. Let's break down the recipe for this viral hit.
And here it is, the magic number, 100. I mean, why not 10 layers or 20? Because 100. 100 is just absurd. It's so ambitious, it sounds almost impossible, which of course is exactly the point. It sets this really clear, super dramatic, and kind of ridiculous goal that you just have to see someone try. This right here lays out the perfect viral recipe. First, the audience is young. The ingredients, super common stuff you probably have at home. And the goal is simple and visual. Who doesn't want to see a rainbow tower? But the most important part is that last bit, the catch. Will it hold or will it be an epic collapse? This frames failure as an equally, if not more, exciting outcome.
Okay, let's get into the process and see how the script builds this whole narrative, step by painstaking step. Because the construction isn't just a method. Oh no, it's a story with rising action and everything. Just look at the language here. It's amazing. You're not just pouring some honey in a glass, you're creating a rock-solid foundation. You're not just layering liquids, you're performing slow pour magic. By the time you get to step 3, it's not just unstable, it's teeter-tear. Every single step is given this over-the-top, dramatic title, turning a simple procedure into a nail-biting thriller.
Of course, underneath all this drama, there is a real scientific principle at work. And the script does deliver a little lesson, but it packages it in the most digestible, easy-to-swallow way you can imagine.
So after all that build-up, all that suspense, the script finally hits pause to ask the real scientific question. This is the aha moment. This is the educational payoff you get for watching the whole spectacle.
And the explanation? It is brutally efficient. There's no complex jargon, no boring scientific detours. It's just a straight, simple definition. Mass per volume. It's designed so a 6-year-old can get it and remember it in about 5 seconds flat.
And there you have it. This simple visual is the entire point. All the drama, all the suspense, it's all designed to deliver this one unforgettable lesson. Heavy stuff sinks and light stuff floats. The whole spectacle exists just to serve this single, simple idea. So how exactly does the script manage to turn a basic science demo into this edge-of-your-seat entertainment? Well, it's all about engineering the drama through production. Every little detail counts. This phrase, which is used right as the tower is getting super high, is a perfect example. It's pure hyperbole, right? The script is absolutely packed with this kind of language, and it's all designed to create this constant state of suspense and anticipation. This table just breaks it all down so perfectly. Every single element is meticulously planned out. The voiceover is directed to be hyped and suspenseful. The music has to be epic. They even call for specific sound effects for teetering and dripping. And here's the most important part, the visual climax is a dramatic collapse in slow-mo. You see, this isn't about documenting an experiment, it's about directing a movie.
And this slide really shows that transformation in action. You've got the neutral, scientific language on the left, and it gets replaced by the sensationalized, viral hit language on the right. An experiment that failed isn't a setback. Oh no, it's an epic fail, which in the world of viral content is pure gold.
So, this brings us to the bigger picture. What does a format like this really say about how we communicate science today, especially to a younger digital native audience?
You notice the video doesn't end with a scientific conclusion. It ends with a call to action. It's not just about watching anymore, it's about participating. The script actively encourages you, the viewer, to go make your own content, your own successes and your own failures, and then share it.
This transforms a single video into this huge, ongoing, interactive challenge.
And this really brings us to the script's ultimate lesson. In the economy of online attention, a spectacular collapse is just as valuable, heck, maybe even more valuable than a successful build. The splashiest attempt gets a shout-out. It's the drama, not the result, that guarantees the views and shares.
So we're left with this final thought to chew on. This model, it's undeniably effective at getting kids excited about a scientific principle. But it relies on turning the experiment into this high-stakes game where the epic fail is the real star of the show. It's a fascinating strategy for sure, and it really makes you wonder about the future of how we package learning for a world that just craves a spectacle. What do you think about that?